All the confusion about doing rice made simple. 1 pot of water, put onto the boil. Water is boiling. You can either put salt, a stock cube, whatever you want. I'm using the all-purpose seasoning, which is the Polish seasoning is in. Right, 1 cup of rice. Some people say 2.5 cups of rice. 2.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. This is my method, tried and tested and simple. Right, put the rice in while the water's boiling and agitated. Just put in a little bit at the time. If you put a lot in and it stops bubbling, stop putting the rice in. While it's bubbling, this could take 2 minutes, that's all. But I will guarantee you fluffy rice. You don't have to wash it, pre-prep it or anything. This is basmati rice. Putting more in, as you can see, the agitated water is actually stirring the rice around for me, so I don't have to do anything. I just keep adding the rice while it's bubbling. As I said, if it stops bubbling, don't add any more rice until it starts bubbling again. There you go, drop there, and a little bit left. In that goes. Right, I'm not going to do anything but turn it down from 9 to 7. Now you leave that 10 minutes and you're done. We'll come back in 10 minutes time. After 2 minutes, you can see it's settling down now, but it's still stirring itself on number 7. I got my homemade chilli at the back. Just keeping warm, warming through. It's already cooked. So that's my rice, would be ready in 8 minutes. 8 minutes, we're nearly there. Still stirring itself. There you go, 10 minutes up. I can turn this off now. Armed with my rice strainer. Watch how easy this is. And let the water drip into the pan to wash more rice out. Do the same again. Just washes the rice out. There you go. 1 empty pan. 1 bowl of rice. Fluffy, not stuck together. Thank you. Stop.